beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here, and today I am going to be unboxing the Spring GQ box. Now, if you don't know this subscription box, this is a quarterly box designed for men. However, I feel like it has some really great items inside of it. I even steal a few of these as well because, I mean, they have like beauty products in here, like facial cleansers and shampoo. I mean, I can use those things too. So even though this is designed for men, I definitely feel like I can use some of the products too. But today we're going to be unboxing the spring box, and also I have a discount code for you guys. If you're interested in purchasing this subscription box, I am going to be posting a link down below along with a coupon code. Plus, it gets even better. On top of that, GQ is going to be sending out a free bonus product for every new member as well. It's a really great time to try this box out. And I will tell you guys, this is the only manly guy box that my husband and I have stayed subscribed to. So we've tried several of them out before, right? Like we've had lots of different companies, but the GQ box is the only one that we've kept long term. And I think we've had it for like 2 years now. It's been a while that we've had it. But that tells you how much we like this box because it's always good quality. I feel like the value is there. There's lots of great items in it. So yes, this is a really great box. And like I said, we are opening up the newest one. This is the Spring 2024 box. If you order with my link in the spring season, you're going to receive the exact same items that I'm going to show you today. So first item inside of your spring box will be a t-shirt. I know. You're probably going, Sydney, what is that? Like you're holding up a piece of paper. And I know, I am holding up a piece of paper. But this is your first item. So when you open up your box, don't throw this away because this is a gift card for a free tee. So this is from a company called 4 Laps, and they are including one of their navy t-shirts inside of every spring box. But instead of just sending you a random size and hoping that it fits, you're able to go online to their website and redeem this code to get the size that you want for your t-shirt. Which honestly is the best way to do it. I think this is a great way that they're not wasting anything. You know you're getting a tee that works for you. Now this retails for $68 on their website. So when you go online, you will need to add to cart this exact tee, and then the code will apply and waive that price tag and ship for free for you. So you'll get an absolutely free t-shirt as soon as you use the code on the other side of this card. Now, it does state that this tee was named the ultimate year-round running shirt by Runner's World magazine. It says it's designed to keep you at the optimal body temperature while still looking polished, and it's also going to whisk away any sweat that you might have. Now, the GQ team was super kind, and they did send over one of these t-shirts today so that I could show you guys. Just know that in your box, you will only receive the gift card, but today I'm going to show you what that tee looks like. That way you have an idea. So this is the t-shirt that will be included in your box once you redeem the code. It is this cute navy tee. Obviously, I know this is going to be for my husband, but I still think it's cute, right? Like, it's a gorgeous navy, and look at how it's got like, do you see like the striping in there? So I kind of like that too. It's got a little bit of detail. Now, I will tell you, the quality is amazing. It's very soft. It's also very lightweight. So this is going to be a breathable t-shirt. It's not a thick, heavy fabric at all. It is slick. I can tell that it's going to repel moisture really well. It's also a bit stretchy, so it does have some give to it. So I honestly think if you are running or doing any form of physical exercise, I feel like this is going to be very comfortable. You'll be able to move in it. Next up in our box is from the American Crew Company. This is their 3-in-1 wash. So it is a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all in one. It is sealed, that way it does not leak in transit to you, but it is a travel-sized product that we have here. So this is a multi-purpose wash that you can try out. It will retail for $9. Next up, we have a full-size eye serum. This is from Symbiosis London, and it is their Deep Puffing and Dark Circle Relief Eye Serum. So I've used this product, and this is what I'm saying is like already this is a product that I can steal out of this box. So it will work for anyone, but it is designed to take down any puffiness or, like it said, dark circles. If you have any bags or anything under your eyes, you can apply this eye serum onto that. It will help to brighten and tighten all of that area. So it has hyaluronic acid inside of it. There's also some proteins. There's ceramides in here as well. Peptides, all good things that your skin will love. So it is a full-size product. It is also a cruelty-free brand. This retails for $127 if you were going to go to their website and purchase this. And believe me, this brand is very bougie, so I am not surprised at all that they're charging $127 for this. Next up, you're going to receive another gift card for another product. This one is because it's entirely customizable. So everyone will be receiving a free Popsocket with their spring box, but you get to go online and upload a photo that they will print onto the Popsocket and then ship it to you for free. So this will be the gift card included in the box. And as you can kind of tell on these photos, you can have people on here. You could put your animals. You could do action shots if you wanted to as well. Any sort of a photo that you would like, you can have printed onto your very own Popsocket. You could do something that's even artsy or geometric even. I mean, there's so many different options. But this card will allow you to go online, upload the photo, and then redeem it to make it free at checkout. So again, I kind of like that they're giving us these gift cards because then you get to choose what you want. Because maybe you want your phone to match, or maybe you want that design to be something that means something to you. I mean, shoot, I could even do like my business logo. You could put a phone number on there. I mean, whatever you would want to put on there, you have the option of customizing with. So this is going to retail for $30, and it says that you can create your own design on their website as well, or like I said, you can upload a photo. We have a Rhino product in here. I don't know this brand, but I love the name. So this is their repairing product. It will heal and soothe sore and worn skin, muscles, and joints. It is a plant-based product. It's 1 ounce, 30 ml here. So it's all vegan and cruelty-free. It says that it's a non-greasy formula, and you're just going to pump it out up at the top like a lotion, and then you're gonna rub this onto wherever you have sore, aching muscles. It says you can use it on your hands, your feet, wherever it may be. But everything in here is plant-based. So it does have peppermint oil in here. I can smell the peppermint already. So just keep that in mind that if you don't like peppermint, that might be one issue with it. Ooh, what is this? Oh, we have a towel. This is cool. This is a quick dry towel, and it's from Slow Tide. I love these kinds of towels. They are so good for the beach. So this towel is designed that you can take it anywhere. You can use it at home, but it will actually keep away water and sand easier than a lot of other beach towels out there. So it's a thinner material for a beach towel. It's still going to be highly absorbent, but you can actually wring these out and they will dry faster because it won't hold as much moisture. And like I said, it's going to keep sand off of it too. The sand literally will just fall right off. It's the coolest thing. So it is a full-size towel. You've got this gorgeous checkered design. I feel like you could totally play checkers or chess on this. I mean, seriously, if you have the pieces, then you could be at the beach and play games too. This retails for $45. It's also a sustainable product. They made it using recycled plastic bottles. It says that you can take it with you. It's a quick drying property, and it's going to be a spongy towel. I do feel like we always get the coolest things inside of this box. So our next item is called Gloves in a Bottle. This is a lotion that's designed for dry, cracked hands. We do have a travel size amount here. This will retail for $10 for this size. And it says that it's a moisturizing lotion that will help to replace the loss of any moisture that you've had. It's going to also be a breathable matrix that works as a shield. So not only will it restore moisture, but it's also going to lock it in place too. And then last item inside of our box is from Modu Madu. This is a washcloth that we have here. So I'm not sure of this brand, but this is one washcloth, and as you can see, it's a bright lime green. I think it's manly. It says that this is an age-old staple in Korean spas. It is a washcloth that's designed to remove dead skin cells so that way it will reveal smoother, glowing skin underneath. So you just want to soak it in water for 10 to 15 minutes and then just apply it on and rub it. And then you should have smoother, softer, brighter skin afterwards. So this washcloth is designed to not use any products. You just use the cloth in water. So that's kind of cool. Honestly, I'm going to try this. See, again, you don't have to be a man to try a washcloth. So that is everything inside of my GQ box for spring. I feel like there's a lot in here, you guys. Now, the hero product still to me is the t-shirt. It's great. I mean, the quality feels fantastic. I honestly think it feels a lot like Under Armour, if I'm not gonna lie. It feels a lot like that material, so very nice. It's good quality. It's gonna last for a long time. Even if you do multiple washes, I think it's gonna hold up really well. So I'm most excited for that, but I still think there's a lot of products in here. And I love the fact that you've got a lot of items here, but you still get to go buy the t-shirt and get your Popsocket as well. But also don't forget, if you're a new member, you will receive a free bonus gift. So I don't have that here with me today, but that will ship with your box, like I said, if you are a new member. So you'd get all of this plus that extra item. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!